Magandang araw! Sama-sama tayong matuto sa Teacher Sal Learning Resource Channel.
Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math 3, Quarter 1, Week 6. Our topic is all about describing the position of objects using ordinal numbers up to 100. Let's review ordinal numbers. You already learned how to describe the position of objects using ordinal numbers up to 20th when you were in grade 2. Now, line up 8 cutouts of shapes on the board. You can also use other shapes or objects you like. Here are the samples. The shapes are arranged from left to right. I will say a position and you will tell me which shape is at the position. Once you get it right, we will write the ordinal number below that shape. Third position, unshaded triangle. First position, shaded rectangle. Fourth position, shaded circle. Seventh position, shaded triangle. Second position, unshaded circle. Eighth position, unshaded square. Sixth position, shaded square. Fifth position, unshaded rectangle, or unshaded or white, unshaded or black, or any color. Our lesson purpose is to describe the position of objects using ordinal numbers up to 100. Let's review ordinal numbers. You already learned how to describe the positions of objects using ordinal numbers. Let's be familiarized with these terms. Ordinal number. First to 100. Look at the situation below. Grade 3 matatag children are going on a study trip. They are lining up to board to the bus. Here are the first 10 children. Look closely at the illustration. Imagine you and your classmates are lined up from left to right. Look carefully and encircle the child who is standing at the second position. Now, I will call on one of you to give and explain your answer. Let's talk about your answer together. After our discussion, I will tell you the correct answer. Then you will write second below the second child using a whiteboard marker. Look at the line from left to right. The first child is the one in front of the line. Now, the first below the child standing farthest to the left. It's your turn to find the positions of the remaining children using ordinal numbers. Write each ordinal number one at a time below each child. If you find it difficult, don't worry, I'll help you. After we finish, I'll show you the correct answers, and we'll read the ordinal numbers together out loud. Here is the second group of 10 learners lining up. If the learners are lined up from left to right, encircle the child who is at the 19th position. So here's the right answer. Take a look at the group lined up from left to right. The child standing farthest to the left is the 11th child. Now, write the 11th below the child. Here is the correct answers. Read all the ordinal numbers aloud together. In grade 2, you studied how to name the positions of people or objects using ordinal numbers from 1st to 20th. Before we continue, take note of this pattern. In this group of ordinal numbers, the ones digit goes from 1 to 9, then 0, just like counting. This pattern can help you name the positions of people or objects beyond the 20th more easily. Here is the third group of 10 children. If the learners are lined up from left to right, encircle the child who is at the given position. 21st position, 26th position, 30th position. I'm going to call one of you to give and explain your answer. Let's talk about your answer together. Please write 21st below the 21st child using a whiteboard marker. So here how it goes. Now, I'll call on another one of you to give and explain your answer for the second one. Let's discuss your answer together. After that, I'll give the correct answer. Then write 26th below the 26th child. So this how the illustration goes. Let's move to the third one. Write 30th below the last child. Now, find the positions of the rest of the children using ordinal numbers. Write each ordinal number one at a time below each child. If you need help, just ask and I'll guide you. Once all the ordinal numbers are written, I'll show you the correct answers and we'll read them aloud together. Here is the fourth group of 10 children. If the learners are lined up from left to right, encircle the child who is at the given position. 33rd position, 37th position, 38th position. Let's continue using the same way of processing the answers. Write the correct ordinal number below the child. Here are the expected answers. Now it's your turn to figure out the positions of the remaining children using ordinal numbers. Write each ordinal number one at a time below each child. Look at the situation. Children are lining up to watch a program in the auditorium. Anna, Leo, and Lisa are in the 75th, 80th, and 84th position in the line. Afterward, work with your seatmate for about 10 minutes. Use the illustration to help you. Afterward, we'll go over each item one at a time and discuss the answers together. Pair up with your seatmate and work together for about 10 minutes. Use the illustration as your guide. After the activity, we'll discuss each item one at a time and go over the answers together. How can we describe the position of an object or a person in an arrangement? To describe the position of an object or a person in an arrangement, we use ordinal numbers such as first, second, third, and so on. These numbers help us indicate the order of each object or person in the arrangement. Children are in line to get their free school supplies. Eve, G, May, Mel, Rex, and Sab are among them. To describe the position of an object or a person in an arrangement, we use ordinal numbers such as first, second, third, and so on. These numbers help us indicate the order of each object or person in the arrangement. Complete the illustration. Here are the expected answers. Eve is the 62nd, Sab is the 65th, May is 68th, 71st is Mel, 76th is G, and 79th is Rex. For day 2, determining the place value of a digit in a 4-digit number. Let's review what you learned in grade 2 about place value in a 3-digit number. Remember, each digit has a value depending on its place, hundreds, tens, and ones. Highlight or encircle the number 3 in each number. What is the place value of the number 3 in each given number? For 399, it is hundreds. 743, ones. 532, tens. Our lesson purpose is to determine the place value of a digit in a 4-digit number. Let's be familiarized with these terms: place value chart, value, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, digits, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Take a look at the problem. Mang Wan bought several grade 3 pad papers to donate to a school as shown. How many pads did he buy in all? Who bought the pad papers? It was Mang Wan. What will he do with them? He will donate it to a school. Work with a partner and take your time to think about your answer. Afterward, I'll call on some of you to share your ideas and explain how you came up with your answer. There are 2,000 pads in the 2 boxes with 1,000 pads. Add to 2,000 the 150 pads in the small box, which gives 2,150 pads. Finally, add to 2,150 the 3 pads. This results in a total of 2,153 pads. For option 2, first add 1,000 and 1,000 to get 2,000. Next, add 150 to 2,000 to get 2,150. Finally, add the remaining 3 pads to 2,150, which gives a total of 2,153 pads. The correct answer is 2,153 pads. Now, let's talk about this number. Can you tell me what digits is in the hundreds place? What about the tens place? How many thousands are there? How many digits does 2,153 have? It has 4 digits. What are these digits? They are 2, 1, 5, and 3. You will now write the number 2,153 in the place value chart. But before we do that, let's recall what place value means. The place value of a digit tells us its position in the number, like whether it stands for thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones. Here is a place value chart for a 3-digit number. You've already learned about the place value of each digit in a 3-digit number back in grade 2. Let's take a look and review how each digit stands for hundreds, tens, or ones. In 2,153, what is the digit in the ones place? It is 3. Can one of you come up and write the number 3 in the ones place on the chart? This is how it goes. In 2,153, what is the digit in the tens place? It is 5. Write the number 5 in the tens place. In 2153, what is the digit in the hundredth place? It is 1. Write the number 1 in the hundredths place. We need another column for the fourth digit. Add another column to the left of the hundredths place. The position of 2 in 2153 is called the thousand place. It is the fourth digit from the right. Write thousands in the first column, first row, and the number 2 in the second row of the same column. What is the place value of 3? It is ones. What is the place value of 5? It is tens. What is the place value of 1? It is hundreds. What is the place value of 2? It is thousands. Each digit in a 4-digit number has its own place value. From left to right, the leftmost digit is in the thousands place. The next digit is in the hundreds place. The next digit is in the tens place. And the rightmost digit is in the ones place. Here is a 4-digit place value chart I prepared. Now, I need one of you to come up and write the number 5321 in the chart. Make sure each digit goes in the correct place. This is how it goes. What is the place value of 5? It is thousands. What is the place value of 3? It is hundreds. What is the place value of 2? It is tens. What is the place value of 1? It is ones. Look closely at the number 2 in both place value charts. Can you spot where it is? Let's highlight the number 2 so we can clearly see its position and understand its place value. What do you observe about the value of 2 in each chart? The value of the digit 2 is different in each chart. The value of a digit depends on its position or place value in the number. For example, in number 2153, the digit 2 is in the thousands place, so its value is 2000. On the other hand, in the number 5321, the digit 2 is in the tens place, so its value is 20. Bring out your show me boards. Write the 4-digit number with a specified digit in each place value. I will pause some cards on the board one by one. For each card, we'll look at it together and discuss the answer as a class before moving on to the next. Write the 4-digit number: 2 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, 9 in the hundredth place, and 7 in the thousands place. Here is the expected answer: 7,962. Next, write the 4-digit number: 4 in the tens place, 3 in the thousands place, 1 in the hundreds place, and 8 in the ones place. Expected answer is 3,148. What is place value of a digit in a number? The place value of a digit refers to the position of the digit in the number. What is the place value of each digit in a 4-digit number? From left to right, the first or leftmost digit is in the thousands place. The second digit is in the hundreds place. The third digit is in the tens place, and the fourth or rightmost digit is in the ones place. From right to left, the first or rightmost digit is in the ones place. The second digit is in the tens place. The third digit is in the hundreds place. and the fourth or leftmost digit is in the thousands place. For your quiz or formative assessment, encircle the letter of the correct answer that indicates the place value of the digit in the given number. The digit 4 in 1475, A ones, B tens, C hundreds, D thousands. The digit 5 in 5860, A ones, B tens, C hundreds, D thousands. The digit 0 in 8103, A ones, B tens, C hundreds, D thousands. The digit 8 in 9748. The digit 2 in 2685. Here are the expected answers. The numbers 8, 7, 4, and 9 are digits of a 4-digit number. If 8 is in the ones place, 7 is in the thousands place, 4 is in the tens place, and 9 is in the hundreds place, what is the 4-digit number? Here is the expected answer, 7,948. For day 3, determining the value of a digit in a 4-digit number. Highlight or encircle the number 5 in each number. What is the place value of the number 5 in each given number? In 1659, it is tens. 2532, hundreds. 2475, ones. 5973, thousands. Our lesson purpose is to determine the value of a digit in a 4-digit number. Let's be familiarized with these terms. Place value chart, value, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, digits, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Let's begin by reviewing how to find the value of a digit in a 3-digit number. You learned this in grade 2. Remember, the value of a digit depends on its place, hundreds, tens, or ones. Now, let's use that same idea to understand the value of a digit in a 4-digit number, which includes the thousands place. Here are number cards from 0 to 9 posted randomly on the board, along with a 3-digit place value chart. I'll call on one of you to choose any 3 cards and place them in the chart in any order you like. What number do we have on the chart? It is 439. How many digits does 439 have? What are they? The number 439 has 3 digits, which are 4, 3, and 9. What is the place value of 4? It is hundreds. What is its value? Its value is 400. Why? The digit 4 is in the hundreds place, which means 4 hundreds or 400. What is the place value of 3? It is tens. What is its value? Its value is 30. Why? The digit 3 is in the tens place, which means 3 tenths or 30. What is the place value of 9? It is ones. What is its value? Its value is 9. Why? The digit 9 is in the ones place, which means 9 ones or 9. Before we continue, can someone explain what place value means? Yes, place value is the position of a digit in a number. Now, how about the value of a digit? That's right, the value of the digit is its actual worth based on its placed in the number. Let's write or post these definitions on the board to help us remember. Place value, the position of a digit in a number. Value of a digit, the actual value of the digit based on its place in the number. Now, we will find the value of each digit in a 4-digit number. Here's a 4-digit place value chart. I'll call on one of you to choose 4 number cards from the board and place them in the chart in any order you like. What number do we have on the chart? It is 5,708. How many digits does 5,708 have? What are they? The number 5,708 has 4 digits, which are 5, 7, 0, and 8. What is the place value of 5? It is thousands. What is its value? Its value is 5,000. Why? The digit 5 is in the thousands place, which means 5 thousandths or 5,000. What is the place value of 7? It is hundreds. What is its value? Its value is 700. Why? The digit 7 is in the hundreds place, which means 7 hundredths or 700. What is the place value of 0? It is tenths. What is its value? Its value is 0. Why? The digit 0 means 0 tenths or 0. What is the place value of 8? It is ones. What is its value? Its value is 8. Why? The digit 8 is in the ones place, which means 8 ones or 8. Here's a what-if situation. What if I interchange the digits in 5,708 to form the number 8,075? What will be the value of each digit? Place the new number in a place value chart, then put it below the first chart. What is the place value of 8? It is thousands. What is its value? Its value is 8,000. Why? The digit 8 is in the thousands place, which means 8 thousandths or 8,000. What is the place value of 0? It is hundreds. What is its value? Its value is 0. Why? The digit 0 means 0 hundredths or 0. What is the place value of 7? It is tenths. What is its value? Its value is 70. Why? The digit 7 is in the tenths place, which means 7 tenths or 70. What is the place value of 5? It is ones. What is its value? Its value is 5. Why? The digit 5 is in the ones place, which means 5 ones or 5. Highlight the digit 5 in each chart. What do you observe about the value of the digit 5 in each chart? The value of the digit 5 differs in each chart. In the first chart, its value is 5,000. In the second chart, its value is 5. The value of a digit depends on its position or place value in the number. Here's a challenge for you. Using the digits 2, 6, 5, and 8, try to form the largest, greatest, and smallest least 4-digit numbers possible. Once you're done, explain how you arrange the digits and why you think your answers are correct. Here are expected answers. For the largest, we have 8,652. Smallest, 2,568. One strategy to form the largest, greatest number is to arrange the digits of the 4-digit number from largest to smallest. For example, with the digits 2, 6, 5, and 8, arranging them as 8,652 gives the largest number. To form the smallest or least number, arrange the digits in ascending order. Using the same digits, arranging them as 2,562 yields the smallest number. This method ensures that placing the highest digits in the highest place values results in the largest number, while placing the lowest digits in the highest place values results in the smallest number. What is place value of a digit in a number? The place value of a digit refers to the position of the digit in the number. What is the value of a digit in a number? The value of the digit is the actual value of the digit in the number, determined by the digit's place value. For your formative assessment, encircle the letter of the correct answer that indicates the value of the digit in the given number. The digit 7 in 1,876. The digit 5 in 9,125. Number 3, the digit 9 in 4,309. Number 4, the digit 8 in 8,071. Number 5, the digit 3 in 7,396. Form a 4-digit number using the digits 4, 5, 9, and 6, satisfying the given condition. Largest, 4-digit number. Smallest or least, 4-digit number. Here are the expected answers. For day 4, determining the digit given its place value in a 4-digit number. Highlight or encircle the number 9 in each number. What is the place value of the number 9 in each given number? In 3,269, it is ones. 4,937, hundreds. 9,012, thousands. 1,396, tens. Our lesson purpose is to determine the digit given its place value in a 4-digit number. Let's be familiarized with these terms: place value chart, value, thousands, hundreds, tens. Ones, digits, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Let's start with a quick review of what you learned in grade 2, identifying the digit based on its place value in a 3-digit number. For example, in the number 742, which digit is in the tens place? Great, it's 4. Now, let's use that same idea to figure out the digit based on its place value in a 4-digit number, which includes the thousands place. I've prepared some materials for today's activity. Place value charts for both 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. 2 sets of number cards from 0 to 9 with 1 number on each card. Masking tape for posting the cards. Let's begin. I've posted 1 set of number cards on the board, along with a 3-digit place value chart. Now, I'll call on one of you to choose any 3 cards and place them in the chart in any order you like. Before we continue, can someone explain what place value means? Place value is the position of a digit in a number. And what about the value of a digit? The value of a digit is its actual word, which depends on its place in the number. For example, a 5 in the tens place means 50. What number do we have on the chart? It is 934. How many digits does 934 have? What are they? The number 934 has 3 digits, which are 9, 3, and 4. What digit is in the ones place? It is 4. What is the value of this digit in 934? Why? It is 4 because it is in the ones place, which means 4 ones or 4. What digit is in the tens place? It is 3. What is the value of this digit in 934? Why? It is 30 because it is in the tens place, which means 3 tenths or 30. What digit is in the hundreds place? It is 9. What is the value of this digit in 934? Why? It is 900 because it is in the hundreds place, which means 9 hundreds or 900. Now, you will determine the digit based on its place value in a 4-digit number. Here is a 4-digit place value chart. Look closely at the number. I will give and tell me what digit is in the thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones place. I'll call on one of you to come up, pick any 4 number cards from the board, and place them in the 4-digit place value chart in any order you like. What number do we have on the chart? It is 6057. How many digits does 6057 have? What are they? The number 6057 has 4 digits, which are 6, 0, 5, and 7. What digit is in the ones place? It is 7. What is the value of this digit in 6057? Why? It is 7 because it is in the ones place, which means 7 ones or 7. What digit is in the tens place? It is 5. What is the value of this digit in 6057? Why? It is 50 because it is in the tens place, which means 5 tenths or 50. What digit is in the hundreds place? It is 0. What is the value of this digit in 6057? Why? It is 0 because it means 0 hundreds or 0. What digit is in the thousands place? It is 6. What is the value of this digit in 6057? Why? It is 6000 because it is in the thousands place, which means 6 thousandths or 6,000. This time, determine the digit given its place value without using a place value chart. Now, I'm posting the second set of number cards along with the remaining cards from the first set. I'll call on one of you to choose any 4 cards and place them side by side in any order you want. What number do we have on the board? It is 3812. How many digits does 3812 have? What are they? The number 3812 has 4 digits, which are 3, 8, 1, and 2. What digit is in the tens place? It is 1. How do you know? It is the second digit from the right. The second place value from the right is the tens place. What digit is in the tens place? It is 1. How do you know? It is the third digit from the left. The third place value from the left is the tens place. What digit is in the hundreds place? It is 8. How do you know? It is the third digit from the right. The third place value from the right is the hundredths place. It is the second digit from the left. The second place value from the left is the hundredths place. What digit is in the ones place? It is 2. How do you know? It is the first digit from the right. The first place value from the right is the ones place. It is the fourth digit from the left. The fourth place value from the left is the ones place. It is the rightmost digit. What digit is in the thousands place? It is 3. How do you know? It is the fourth digit from the right. The fourth place value from the right is the thousands place. It is the first digit from the left. The first place value from the left is the thousands place. It is the leftmost digit. Bring out your show me boards. I'll flash a number and say a place value. Your task is to write the digit that matches that place value. Make sure you understand the instructions before we begin. After each number, we'll discuss the correct answer together before moving on to the next one. Here are the examples. How do you determine the digit given its place value in a 4-digit number? The first digit from the right is in the ones place. It is the fourth digit from the left. It is the rightmost digit. The second digit from the right is in the tens place. It is the third digit from the left. The third digit from the right is in the hundredths place. It is the second digit from the left. The fourth digit from the right is in the thousands place. It is the first digit from the left. It is the leftmost digit. Write the digit given its place value in the number. Here are the expected answers.